Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to show you how I made a wreath out of these beautiful flowers from my garden. For this wreath, I chose various colors of marigold along with Thuja leaves to get that Christmas feeling. So let's begin making the wreath. For this I chose an old piece of cardboard from one of the boxes which I had at home. Fresh flowers from my garden, few Thuja or selber leaves, anything of your choice, a green thread, hot glue to glue the leaves, a pair of scissors, and an aluminium wire. To begin with, I chose two different sizes of plates, a bigger one and a smaller one, to draw the circles. You can also do it taking proper measurements with a scale. Once you're happy with the sizes of the circles, then cut out the outer circle and the inner circle to make a shape of a loop. Once the loop is ready, it's time to make the flower string. For this, we take the green thread. Since the thread I had was a thin one, I chose to make it into 4 layers. If you have a thick thread, you can just use 1 or 2. Make sure that the size of the thread you take is the size of the loop. Now start sewing. Insert the needle into the flowers in such a way that the flowers are facing 4 different directions, trying to look like a bunch. Once you insert 4 flowers into the needle, slowly pull the flowers to the other end of the string. Make sure that the flowers don't fall apart. I made 2 flower strings to have more volume on the wreath. Keep the flower strings aside. It's now time to focus on the background. Take the Thuja leaves. The idea is to stick these Thuja leaves to the cardboard loop in order to form a green background. Start sticking them one by one with hot glue. Make sure all the corners are covered properly. So this is how it looks once it is done. It's now time to attach the flowers. Arrange both the flower strings on top of the leaves. Once you're happy with the setup, take the aluminium wire and cut it into small pieces. Now attach the flower strings to the cardboard loop. Make sure to cover all the corners of the wreath. So here is the final result. This is how it looks once done. Now it's time to add a bow. If you are interested in how to make this bow, please click the link above. I just inserted an aluminium wire into the bow and attached it to the cardboard behind. In order to hang the wreath, I took another piece of jute band, inserted an aluminium wire into it and tied it across to the cardboard. So that's it guys. I hope you liked my video. If yes, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.